Welcome all. Myself, Dr. Pramod Pithakur, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Mahatma Phule, AC College Panvel, District Raigad. I am going to present a research paper in two-day International E-Conference on Futuristic Aspect in Nanotechnology organized by KBP College, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Here is the title of my research paper: Microwave Assisted Selective stage activation of 1,3-diketones for green synthesis of 3-hydroxyoxyindole. This is the chemistry of 1,3-diketones. This is an more acidic alpha hydrogen and this is a less active gamma hydrogen. Using a mild base, one can abstract the alpha hydrogen easily and it can undergo the electrophilic substitution at alpha position. But the gamma hydrogen is less active. It required very strong base to form the dianion, and this dianion can undergo the gamma regioselective addition. Here is the dianion method which is used for this gamma sp3-CH activation in 1,3-dicarbonyl, but this method is required excess of base and it requires the combination of metallic bases. Furthermore, the yield of this reaction is very poor. Our objective was to develop a new green approach for regioselective sp3-CH activation in 1,3-dicarbonyl to synthesize diversely functionalized 3-substituted 3-hydroxyoxyindole. So here we have proposed the reaction of 1,3-diketones with certain electrophiles to form this type of 3-hydroxyoxyindoles, in which this gamma sp3-CH will be activated under green reaction condition. Here is the importance of 3-hydroxyoxyindole. So you can see this 3-hydroxyoxyindole is a medicinally imperative heterocyclic scaffold. These are the various molecules which is a selective representative examples of natural products and pharmaceutical possessing 3-substituted 3-hydroxyoxyindoles. Here is our experimental and materials. We use the microwave irradiation for the reaction, water as a reaction media, and astatine as a electrophilic heterocycle, and 1,3-dicarbonyl as a nucleophile. Here is the general procedure. We have taken 5 ml water in reaction vessel. We have added astatine 1 millimole and 1,3-diketone 1 millimole in the reaction vessel. The reaction vessel was sealed and placed in a cavity for microwave reactor. The irradiated the reaction mixture for 5 minutes at 100 degrees centigrade using 140 power. After 5 minutes of the irradiation, reaction vessel was removed from the microwave cavity and allowed to cool at the room temperature. The progress of the reaction was monitored by the TLC, and after the reaction mixture was diluted with water and extracted with the ethyl acetate. The combined ethyl acetate extract were then dried over sodium sulfate, and after removal of the solvent, the mixture was purified by column chromatography using hexane ethyl acetate 1:4 to 1:1 mixture as an element to afford the desired product. Here is the spectral analysis of the synthesized compound. So basically here the H1NMR spectra and C13 spectra shows the formation of this molecule. The high resolution spectrum shows the expected molecular weight of the desired compound, and the FTIR spectrum shows the peaks for the expected functional groups in the compound. Here is the scope of the developed method, in which we have screened various diketones which are aliphatic, aromatic and cyclic substrate were screened under optimized reaction condition. These reaction condition were used to synthesize the various molecules as shown in this slide. Here we can see the various functionalized molecule were prepared, and this functionalized molecule can provide an additional functional handle. Here is the significant feature of the developed method. It is a catalyst and additive free protocol. It works in aqueous reaction media. It's metal free regioselective gamma sp3-CH activation, very high gamma regioselectivity, good to high isolated yields, very wide scope of substrate, and additional functional handles for the further development. The conclusion, we have developed an efficient and green protocol for radioselective gamma species activation in 1,3-dicarbonyls for the synthesis of diversely functionalized medicinally imperative heterocyclic scaffold from readily available starting material under very mild reaction condition. These are our key references for this work, and thank you for your attention.